What's one thing that you think is missing in order to make agentic coding actually trustworthy enough to deploy at scale?
Interesting. I mean, I think that from a technical perspective, all of the pieces are there. When we see these large deployments, like we went 0 to 10,000 engineers at one company. And when we did that in less than 3 months, a lot of what we saw was that the biggest barrier by far is winning the trust from developers. And that requires them seeing it used, seeing the controls in place. Like, I'll take an example from missions, something that I've referenced before, where we shipped missions, and 2 weeks later, one of the bigger changes we did was a UX redesign. What we found is that these people who had these questions around trust, the actual mission itself, or like basically the work of having the agents run and execute and do the tests, verify, was actually pretty unchanged from a procedural perspective, like how the mission was executed. But we did a ton of redesigning of how we presented that information to people. And that alone had brought our measurement of their trust, or basically the autonomy that they granted the mission, up so significantly. Like, there's no one metric, but basically across the board, people were way more willing to cede way more authority and control to these systems entirely based on an interface change that basically made them feel more confident in the work that was being done.
Hmm.
And so that's sort of a lot of what we see, is that probably it's a combination of one, trust won by how you choose to roll out and train and enable people to use the tools, alongside two, user interfaces and UX that grants more visual transparency to end users about what's going on. But from a technical perspective, we see enough very serious and important, like, systemically important banks using coding agents in production in real world scenarios, such that we're fairly confident that real enterprise workloads can happen with them. It's just a matter of building out that trust and verification.